Alright, the song's called Lightning Crashes. Lightning crashes in the mother drives.
My good times, bad times, I had to download a program so I could hear all these little notes. I can slow it down.
The placenta falls to the floor.
Yeah, dude, but still, I got a picture of my fingers. My thumb is more, dude.
The angel opens her eyes. The future lights on before the doctor can even close the door.
I know who you're talking about.
Lightning crashes and no mother dies. Her intentions fall to the floor. The angel closes her eyes. The confusion was hers. Belongs now to the baby down the wall. Coming back again like a rolling thunder chasing the wind, forces pulling from the center of the earth. I can feel it. Lightning crashes and no mother cries. This moment she's been waiting for. The angel opens her eyes. Pale the colored eyes presents a circle. It's a glory on too high. Coming back again like a rolling thunder chasing the wind, forces calling from the center of the earth. I can feel it. I can feel it. Like a rolling thunder chasing the wind, forces pulling from the center of the earth. I can feel it. center of the earth I can feel it. I can feel it coming back again like a rolling thunder chasing the wind. Forces pulling from the center of the earth I can feel it.
Really?
Thank you.